Of course, our business is Corvettes. We always tell you we have a great selection of classic muscle cars and trucks, and sometimes we just have cars that are a really good deal, really good value, and are in excellent shape. This is one of those. It's on our front lot, 2020 Hyundai Kona Limited crossover. This is a great SUV, just 26,000 miles, and let's just give it a good look over. And by the way, if you'd like to see more detailed pictures and get the pricing on this car, just click the link right down below. This video will take you to all that information. Chalk white on the exterior, black leather interior, and it has a sunroof. Under the hood, 170 horsepower, turbocharged, 1.6 liter i4 engine. 7-speed automatic transmission, and factory features include cargo package, heated mirrors, electronic climate control, heated front seats, 8-way power driver's seat, rear view camera, tilt-n-tele, fog lamps, keyless entry and start. It has that 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. It has Bluetooth, XM satellite radio, wireless phone charging is built in, and it has those LED headlights, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, ABS, traction control, stability control as well. It comes with a clean one-owner Carfax showing just 26,350 miles. So this 2021 Hyundai Kona Limited is in overall good condition. Come and see us, stop in. Remember, you can give one of our sales representatives a call here at 770-414-5552. You know, we tell you all the time, we make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence, and we ship nationwide every week from buyabet.net here in Atlanta, and we do that much less expensively than you might imagine. So come in and see it today. 26,000 miles, factory 5 years, 60 bumper to bumper and 5-year 100,000 powertrain warranties remaining on this car. So price is right. Check it down below. Click the link right here below the video, and you'll get all that information. It's a beautiful car, a 2021 Hyundai Kona Limited crossover. It's a beauty, and it can be yours.